What's the meaning of bullfrog? Bullfrog. Bullfrog.
Bullfrog. Bullfrog. A bullfrog is a large, aquatic frog native to North and South America. Typically, they have a green or brown body with a light-colored belly, webbed feet, and powerful hind legs that allow them to leap great distances. They are known for their deep, resonant croaking that is often heard near bodies of water during the breeding season. In some cultures, bullfrogs are considered a delicacy and are raised for their meat. However, due to habitat loss, pollution, and overharvesting, many species of bullfrogs are now endangered or threatened.